Over the past few weeks, we've heard a lot about the drug hydroxychloroquine. President Trump has been pushing for it in his briefings.
Some of his scientific advisors say not so fast. What is the drug? Good question. Heather Brown talked with a researcher at the U looking at how well it works.
Has your team just been working around the clock on this?
We started this project on March 9th.
Dr. David Boulware normally researches HIV, but now his team wants to know if hydroxychloroquine,
A old school anti-malarial drug,
can not only prevent COVID-19, but shorten the illness when it first strikes. And what have you found? Can you?
So that we don't know.
The U of M trial is one of several across the country looking at this drug, which was first approved by the FDA in 1955.
It is a remarkably safe drug.
It's now used primarily for patients with lupus.
So there's a lot of excitement that comes from the highest levels, obviously, about the hydroxychloroquine.
I think it could be a game changer.
There's much more excitement than there is actually data, which is a slight problem.
I don't think we could definitively say it works.
There's been basically 4 small studies published. They're all sort of between 10 to 30 people studies.
Were the studies well done? The answer is no. Were the studies definitive? No.
There's some hint that, hey, this is a promising thing, but no real data to suggest that it works. And so in our trials, we're trying to actually prove that it works.
I did reach out to Twin Cities hospitals to ask them, even with this limited data, are they using hydroxychloroquine for their patients with COVID-19? Some of them said no, but I did have a long talk with a doctor who works at Regions and Methodist, and they said yes, in some cases, for compassionate use. For those patients who are very sick with COVID-19 or the ones that come to them who could get very ill. This all comes after serious discussions between the doctor, the patient, and a panel of experts.
We do know there are some side effects. The concern is about heart rhythms. People can have allergies to medicines.
And if this drug is ultimately going to be given to hundreds of thousands or millions of people,
you're going to have some severe side effects, and some people are going to be harmed.
And another concern?
It actually takes away medicine from the patients with lupus that actually need the medicine, and so we shouldn't be using it if it doesn't work, and so we should figure that out as quickly as possible.
Are you hopeful that it could work against COVID-19?
Yeah, no, I'm hopeful, but I'm also a skeptic.
Heather Brown, WCCO 4 News.
Dr. Boulware says that he'd like to figure this out within weeks, not months. Right now, he has 700 people in his study. He would like several hundred more. If you've had recent close contact with someone with COVID-19, the U of M team wants you to participate. And we put all the information on how to do that at our website, WCCO.com/links.